Your installed base is growing. Your experienced techs are retiring. And your data is stuck in ERPs, PDFs, and spreadsheets. New hires can't find asset history. Techs can't find the right part. Customers wait on hold. Introducing Installed Base Intelligence from Industrility. We pull every source, ERP, PDFs, spreadsheets, even phone calls and emails, into one connected view. See your entire installed base, assets, contracts, revenue potential in one report. Know exactly where every asset lives, who touched it last, and where revenue is at risk. On site, one scan pulls up the asset's full history. No more guessing, no more 4-day part lookups. Spot expiring parts before customers do, and turn every touch point into aftermarket revenue.